Welcome to the Mad Tea Party, where everything is quick. Mad! To ensure your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your teacup. Just keep turning the wheel to the right or to the left. The faster you turn it, the faster you go. We're off to the tea party. Please say hello to the Mad Hatter.
Bienvenidos al Party Party. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la taza. Y por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos. Chao.
Well, hello there. Welcome to our unbirthday party. For your safety, please be sure to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your teacup. And do watch your children. To spin your teacup, just keep turning the wheel to the right or to the left. The faster you turn it, the faster it spins. Well, it seems our party is about to begin. Have a most wonderful time. Ta-ta!
Ahora comienza el Party Party. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la taza. Y por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos. Gracias.
Oh, there you are. Please remain seated until your teacup comes to a stop, then walk to the nearest exit. Bye-bye.
Please remain seated until your teacup has come to a full and complete stop. Now that it has, please gather your belongings, watch your step, and carefully walk to the nearest green entry gates by the yellow for another attraction. Thank you.